Right, we're just going to go and collect a bicycle from Alford's for this lad called Jack. His mum actually works in the NHS and she saved up all her money to buy him a bike, and unfortunately it was stolen while he was at the gym. So they've obviously put a wish in to Community Wishes through Gez, and Gez has asked me to go and collect the bike from Alford's and go and deliver it to a young lad called Jack, who unfortunately had his stolen, and they're going to supply him with a big bicycle chain to lock it up, and hopefully he will appreciate what we're going to do. So we're just, me and Conrad is off to Alford's in Leicester to go and collect his new bike for him, and then you will see me dropping it off, and we'll see Jack's reaction when I open up the van. So we'll see you shortly. We're just going past Leicester Tigers ground now, if you want to show you on. Mattioli Woods, look, PLC, Leicester Tigers. A few of the Tigers fans will probably like that, but we're going to get Edda's way over to Alford's now, and we'll collect the bike. We'll get a bit of footage as we go into Alford's as well. We're just on his way into Alford's now to go and collect this bike for Jack. Go, let's go. In Alford's collecting the bike. I'd be bombing around on that, wouldn't it? Hey? Yes, mate. Yeah, he's even got a bell, look. He got a bell. What, you play Nitrous? Look, another one here plays Nitrous.
Oh, he plays it, does he?
Hey, you'd be happy, wouldn't you, Jack? Get it loaded up in that van, Conrad. The 18 van. B8 Rockers is following me with a camera. Here's Murdoch. On day release. Right, well, we ain't got to go far to drop this off, so we're going to see what his face is like when we drop this new bike off to him. See you shortly. Right, I'm just about to knock on Jack's door now, so hopefully Jack should answer this door. Hello, love.
Ah.
I'm hoping someone called Jack was going to answer the door. This is in aid of Wishes for Community Wishes, and we'll see Jack's, because you don't know about this bike.
Hello?
Hello, you Jack?
Yeah, I am.
How you doing, mate? You alright?
I'm alright.
Yeah, I've been told you had your bike stolen. Is this true?
Yeah, it is, mate.
Where did you have it pinched from?
It was on Welford Road, yeah.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Have you not found it since?
No.
Right, well, I think I found it, mate. Do you want to come and have a look in the back of my van?
Yeah.
Come and have a look.
Oh, nice.
Come and have a look. I've been told all about this bike you've had stolen. Well, look in that van, mate.
Cheers, man.
Because this is from Gez at Community Wishes. He tells me that you deserved this bike.
Oh.
And apparently there's a lock there, but you have to take the keys out then.
Yeah.
Jack, just look round and just say to Gez at Community Wishes.
Oh, cheers, mate. I don't deserve this, but thank you. Oh, thank you.
Get it out then, mate. It's yours. That's what we brought it here for.
What?
Well, a lot of doing this is to your mum, because your mum works hard at the NHS, I'm led to believe, and she saved up for your last bike, so you best take care of this one, Jack.
Oh, I will do.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I don't want to be having to look for this one, because I've bought this one from Alford, so if someone pinches this one out, it'll be personal to me, that will.
Thank you.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You're going to be able to bomb about now, yeah? And get yourself to college, yeah?
Will do.
So there you go, just thanks to Gez,
Cheers.
Community Wishes, yeah? Because he's the one who sorted all this out. And this is what we do at Community Wishes. Do you know what I mean? So, there you go.
Thank you.
Yeah?
This is brilliant, eh?
Yes?
Yeah, cheers, mate.
There you go then.
Thank you.
Back to peddling ways. Yeah?
Thank you.
Oh,
Alright, okay, Mum. You happy with that? Yeah?
Thank
No
you, mate.
problem. Right, take care.
Thank you so
And the
much.
keys are inside the thing, yeah?
Brilliant. Thank
Yeah.
you.
See you later.
Thank you.
So there you go then. He looked one happy lad. He even said he didn't deserve it, but apparently his mum had told everyone at Community Wishes she had saved up hard for his first bike, and she is an NHS worker, and we do know how hard them people work, and she was struggling to make ends meet and get him another bike. So that's why Community Wishes has just dropped that bike off to Jack and a lock. So I've told him better make sure it's locked this time. So that's it ain't an in it to win it, this one, it's a Community Wishes. So there's a thank you to Community Wishes. See you all later.